Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If you are learning English language, so this video is for you. One mistake is stopping you from speaking English language. Today, I also want to describe with you how one mistake was destroying my life. So stay with me. This video will give you valuable lesson. So, what was the problem and what was the biggest mistake of my life when I was trying to speak English language? And when I was recording myself, I got during my video, I was try to use filler word and I could not express my thought in a good and great way. Then one crazy thought come to my mind. Means first few days I will do practice a lot and after that I will start recording myself. That's mean when I will become a perfect speaker, that time I will record myself, that time I will upload myself. Happened only 3 to 4 days I did practice. After totally I cut from this practice life and how I stopped my learning English language I could not realize. Not one day, 2 day, not month or year. Totally proper 1 year I could not continue this journey. When I realized it was so late, it was so far, and after that I also realized that I am also in a same position. But if I were continue my journey, if I was doing practice every single day, if I was making my video every single day, so maybe I could learn something new. I could, improve a lot. But it was my huge mistake. So it is not only my problem. It is not my problem. It is the problem of every learner of English language when they start their journey and they also have enough knowledge, enough grammar rule, enough vocab knowledge, but one crazy thought is totally destroying their life. That is when waiting for perfection, when I will become a perfect speaker, that time I will start speaking. These things is totally destroying our life, killing our life. But we have to outcome from this zone. And we have to start, because when you will see the expert of world, then you will find they also start from zero level. Every single day they also try to polish, they also try to learn something new, they also try to improve something every single day. Nobody could not become expert within a day, because if you stop yourself from speaking English, and how much you try in your mental level, how much try you learn from book, from grammar, from vocab, all are useless. Because when you will not start speaking, that time you can't identify your mistake, you can't know, you can't guess your problem. But when you will start speaking, that time you will find you have a grammar knowledge, you have a all grammar thought, but you are not able to use it one the time, because need practice. Your mind need practice, real practice. Only thought can't help you. As like you have a knowledge of saving paddy in a field, it is not a work, it will not give you benefit. But when you will go through the field, when you will try to in a real life saving the paddy plant, that time it will help you. And as like by only swimming theory, you can't become a swimmer. But for becoming a swimmer, you have to go through the water. You have to take action. You have to start, running your hand, your legs. That time possible for you, you can learn swimming. So same brother, don't wait for perfection. Don't wait for become a perfect speaker. Where you are, from there start according to your level. If you have, try to use. If you don't have an idea how to express this thought, how to say, try to learn from your mobile phone. Ask anyone. Try to learn from your mobile phone. Try to learn from YouTube. Whatever possible for you, try to learn and try to fulfill your desire and dream. Just only one things you do, that is start speaking. First start in with front of the mirror, front of the mobile phone. When you will do it, then try to speak a small sentence with your friends. And nowadays we have a unlimited access mobile phone, because everyone have a smart mobile phone. There we have a free option. From this free option we can practice through the same type of learner, and we can continue our conversation. We can talk about different kind of topic. When you will do this, definitely you will have a confidence, because confidence is the biggest things in learning of English speaking journey. Without confidence you can't do anything. So, end of the video, just I want to say you start speaking and don't repeat same mistake whatever I did. I hope this video can reach to your problem. If you think this problem is your, try to write on comment box, and try to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.